What's going on? Welcome back to Knife Life VDC. Gonna get into something from Kizer real quick. It's not necessarily a new model, but I guess it's a new variation, you could say. I don't really own a lot of Kizers. I think this will be my fourth one. I got like two drop bears and then like a Kizer Doman, I think. I think that's all I have is those three. So this is always going to be a happy collection. It's one I was wanting originally when it first came out, but I just never pulled the plug or, shot the gun, whatever that saying is, right? Um, but I went ahead and pulled it on this one because I like this one better, I think, for the most part. And I'm just excited to handle it, honestly. This is just probably your general information, your yada yada stuff. Manual, how to clean it, stuff like that, yada yada. Got your little cleaning cloth right there. Good stuff. Never have too many of those cloths. I go through them and I like them. Kaiser makes some pretty good ones. For my other ones at least. You got some hardware, which is nice. Always nice to have extra hardware. You got some screws, and it looks like like the plug for the pocket clip on the other side. That's what it kind of looks like. It looks like the handle. And then you got your sweet little Jack Sparrow type sticker. I don't know if that's supposed to be like some type of bear or something, but no clue. Kind of cool looking though. But let's get into it now because I'm pretty excited. All right, and here we go. It is the Kizer. If I don't get it stuck on the tape, the Varatas, or I was fighting with myself. I don't know if it's the I don't know. Veritas, I don't know. I'll just go with the Veritas. And it's a Jacob Lundquist design. Pretty excited about this. Like I said, I wanted the original one, just never pulled the plug on it. But I went and got this one because I really like the way it looks. I like the blacked out look. I just think it looks pretty good overall. And I found out this is Lefty EDC. He said it was lightning anno. Now I'm not real knowledgeable on the anode, like anodized type stuff and all that type of stuff. Kind of been reading up a little bit on it, but apparently this is a lightning anodized type backspacer and pivot collar and all that type of stuff, pivot screw and pivot square. Um, he said he didn't like it really. He's not really into that type of stuff, but I thought it kind of looked what kind of set it apart on this one. I really kind of do like it. I think it looks pretty cool. I'll kind of zoom in on it real quick. I thought it was pretty cool looking myself. I'm not really into this type of stuff either. I really am not at all. Like, I don't really care for it. But I thought it would look really cool on this. It kind of makes it pop in a way. I must have greasy hands or something. I ate earlier, and maybe that's just oil or something. I don't know. Because it is not coming off. Oh well, I'll get it cleaned off later. But I just kind of want to check it out because I really like the way it looked. I thought it had a great design to it, and just I was always kind of curious about the ergos on it. It is a thinner knife, which is kind of cool. It's probably be more slicier, which I'm pretty excited about. But I always wondered how it felt in hand because obviously you have this little dugout little spot for your obviously for your liner lock or your excuse me your frame lock. So I was always wondering kind of like how it felt in your hand, and it doesn't honestly feel too bad. And you can also choke up a little bit right there. It has enough toil for that, and a little dig out right there. But yeah, I really don't think it feels too bad in hand. I really do like it. It feels good, reverse holding it. Um, it is light though. It is titanium also, I believe so. Yeah, titanium handle. Okay, yeah, so it's excuse me, titanium. If I don't stutter my way through that. Titanium handle, and it's got what type of steel again? S35 VN. So there you go. Not bad. I like that. That's got my Hogue K320. I love that knife, and I love that steel. It's been a great knife. So I do like the S35 VN. It's great stuff. Got your titanium pocket clip. Let's shut that and show you real quick. Let's see. It feels pretty good. I don't feel too bad. Nice and sturdy. It is deep carry. Obviously, it's going to be poking out just a hairball, right there, about that much right there. So a little bit will be sticking out. It is a front flipper with a thumb hole. That thumb hole flips open pretty well. No real problems there, so far at least. And the front flipper, let's check that out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I want to see if I can do this. I have really like stupid short fingers. I don't know why. Well, God bless me like that, I guess. But a lot of people said they can, obviously with the Varatas, I've seen other videos where they can do it with the finger, just a finger flip open, whatever. I'm gonna try that. Oh man, like I see other people doing this with other knives, like front flippers, and I can never do it. Maybe it's because I'm just goofing, I can't figure it out, but I can get this one, so I'm at least half the time. So I'm pretty excited about that. That's kind of cool, but I love front flippers, so obviously this was why I kind of bought it too, because I love front flippers. Um, Great design. I love the blade. I don't think it. I don't know how long it is. About 3 inches. Great ergos. I really do like it. I like the way it feels in hands. I like the way it feels better choked up though. I don't know why. I kind of do. I feel like it just feels better in my hand. Like I don't feel it doesn't feel bad like right there, but it feels better right here. So that's one thing. But it is also ambidextrous, which is nice, and that's what I was curious about how that was going to look. Because as you can see right there, it's got a little cutout for it. And they have an extra one, so I don't know if that's just like for the reverse side. Maybe it's going to look exactly like the pattern. So I don't know necessarily. But it's kind of cool that they added that stuff. You know, it's kind of nice. Let's look at that texturing. Let's see if it's... it's not too bad. It's not real aggressive. It's pretty smooth, which I was kind of surprised. I thought it was going to be a little bit like more aggressive. It's not bad though. I don't think it'll slip out of my hand like using it and stuff like that if your hands get sweaty. I don't think so. Obviously I haven't used it, so I don't know for sure. It feels like it'd be alright though. Pretty excited to carry this and check it out. This was only like $169, and I got it from Knife Center. So check out Knife Center. I think they have it on the Kizer website. I don't know who else is carrying it. I just know those two. I got it from Knife Center. Yeah, so it's a great deal, I think, especially if you like the original. If you obviously, it's kind of the same thing, obviously. So I don't think you'd want to probably get two, unless you really liked it and you really like the blacked out look. I love the blacked out look with the little lightning ammo. I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know what this is arrows for though. Arrow pointing down. There's one right here. So I don't know what that necessarily is. If you know what it is, let me know down in the comment section. Because honestly, I have no clue. I saw them in the pictures. I just never thought to look it up. I kind of just forgot about it, to be honest with you. But I'm really impressed. I don't know if I'm going to like it better than the Kizer Drop Bear, because that is probably my... I don't buy a lot of Kizers because the Drop Bear is my favorite. I've handled a few, but the Drop Bear kind of just does it for me. But I think this is relatively close. I'll have to see if I'm going to like it better or not. I do like that this is a front flipper, though. That's always nice. Liner lock works pretty well, though, too. Pretty good detail on it. Does flip open really nice. It's got great action on it. I hear some people didn't have necessarily great action, but I think that might just be other people's opinions, or maybe just need broke in, honestly. I feel like some of my knives, after maybe a few days, I'll walk around the house just flipping them open all day. And I think usually that helps break them in, obviously. And I think that's what a lot of knives need. They just need a little bit of time, a little love, get them broke in, and then they work like butter. Hopefully. Or at least better. But that's really all I got on it. Like I said, I'm pretty excited to carry it around, check it out. If you know what the arrows mean, please let me know down in the comment section. If you like this video, obviously leave a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And so does the algorithm. It helps me out. But yeah, just leave a like, leave a comment. Have a great day.